moyen la smoke pour montrer ce qu'il est.
Well, I told you so. He's already been outside a lot. Heavy G turnaround now. Gary Ward in some very aggressive aerobatics in his MX2.
Un pilote excellent, un appareil super performant. Gary Ward, tout de suite au décollage dans des manœuvres extrêmement agressives. Écoutez, on aura l'occasion de le voir un peu plus tard durant sa présentation. Dans une grille inversée, il y a tellement de puissance. Et là maintenant, c'est carrément le moteur, ce qu'on appelle le torque roll. Et on tient uniquement dans la puissance de l'hélice et on redescend dans sa fumée.
Look at that tail slide. He's flying backwards, and now he has to flip that airplane around to start flying again. He's falling. He's not flying yet, folks. Still not flying. Now he's connected right down, measures it to the inch. He is rated to the surface because of his experience. And of course, he tumbles and rolls that airplane one way, then the other, loading tremendous G-forces on the airplane and his body. Ladies and gentlemen, the very talented Gary Ward. He is having a good time up there. Climbing for altitude. Our aerobatic pilots, when they climb higher, that means they want to transition. They want to use that altitude for energy they need as they drop down now for more aggressive aerobatics. So into the flat inverted spin he goes. Around the wing he goes. The knife edge spin as he drops down, building up airspeed to over 210, 240 miles an hour at the bottom. Pulls about 7, 8.